In this video, I'll show you how to easily connect Calendly to your school community so members can book calls and sessions directly from your community platform. First, log into your Calendly account and copy the link to your scheduling page. You can find this in your account dashboard. Click this gear icon, then click Copy Link. Now, go to your school community where you want to add the Calendly integration. Make sure you have admin or moderator permissions. You can embed Calendly in several ways. Add it to your community's About section or add it to your profile bio. For simple approach, paste your Calendly link directly into your post or About section. School will automatically create a clickable link. For a more professional look, you can create a dedicated book a call post, use Calendly's embed code in custom HTML areas, pin the booking post to the top of your community. Add clear instructions about what type of calls you're offering and any prerequisites for bookings to set proper expectations. And that's how you connect Calendly to school. Your community members can now easily book time with you.